Good morning, Troy Gang. Good morning. We are about to have market open. Actually, market opened about 2 minutes ago. So we're going to look for some live trades on gold. So let's take a look. All right, let's see. Let's see what we get this morning. You guys can put a comment in the chat if you want to say good morning. So last night I took a position or two positions. Took another loss, and then I took a sell position, and I had my stop loss in profit. So it did end up hitting my stop loss, even though I was in profit. So uh, right now my account's currently at $29. So from $50, so I took about a $20 loss, pretty much, or 25. But we're gonna see if we can make some of that back this morning. So let's go like the hour. So right now the trend is still bullish. So I could see us pushing up. So like tapping into this area here or even this area. So we shall see. So we're only 5 minutes after market open. So I always like to wait a little bit, see if we see any entries. So we can see here that we had a doji, like I said, in the market breakdown on Sunday. We had a doji here, so I said that it could possibly reverse. I even said that this could be a fake out, also it could continue to push down. So with the way it's looking right now is, of course, we have a strong bullish candle here, and then created another one and pushed up to 26.39, and we had a pullback. So it could refill it and push back into this area here. So that's kind of what we're going to look for. So try to look for a good entry. So let's see, it's Tuesday. I don't see any news for us. There was a little bit of news before market open, but I don't see anything for the rest of the day, so it should be pretty good. So of course we're gonna stay on the 5 minute. We're gonna look for how these candles close. Because see this even right here could create a double top and then push it up to at least here. We always gotta look left also. So here, even though we can't really look left, I'll go on a higher time frame, maybe the 30 minutes, then look left. So let me see here, we have all this liquidity right here that could possibly need to be filled. So we could easily have a huge push up, take this out, take this out. So fill all this range right here, fill this gap. Especially since we are kind of pushing So we just gotta see what it wants to do, because it could push down too. Right now it's in a range. So it's kind of on the higher time frame a little bit, it's kind of consolidated. So it's kind of in this range. So it has to break out into this other range here. So we had to push down, then we had to push back up, and then a push back down. So if it breaks, I want to say here, probably look for some cells. So I'd have to break here. So we have a doji right here. This is an easy reversal. So that could mean that it's respecting this area right here. So we could possibly look for a long, just to right here. Our stop loss right below. A nice 1 to 3. So we had to push down here to reject it. We had to pull back up. This is on the 1 hour. So we have a doji here, but I need to wait and see how this candle closes. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and then we'll see what it does. I mean, that looks good. Let's see if it pushes past this candle here, or we get a pullback. So I need a confirmation. Yeah, 10 seconds. I'm gonna see if we're gonna get a little pullback first. So we have an area of support right here. So it could go up to here and then pull back down. So we don't want to get faked out. We're only 15 minutes after market open. So some people say you want to wait like 30 minutes. So you get a clear direction of where the market's going. So see how I said we're getting like a pullback. Because what if it decides to reverse and then I get stopped out? So because this might be a pullback. So we still have a support level right here. You see if it's going to blow past that support level. So we could get a push up right here and it ends up pushing down. So I'd say if we actually break here, then we can actually look for ourselves. it could repeat here. So if you guys see, you kind of have a pattern here. Came up, came down, came up, pulled back down, came up, pulled back down, could come up, pull back down to at least here. So making a higher high, a higher low, a higher, this is a higher low, or higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we'll see. So we can easily take a short right here. Have it right above. We target these lows. See, that's our confirmation right there. Got a rejection. I'm going to take a sell position, guys. All right, we just took a sell position, guys. So you guys see here, this is on my trade locker. So stop loss is above this previous high. TP is going to be targeting these lows right here. So who knows, we could even push down even farther. So but as of right now, that's the target. So it's a nice 1 to 2 if it goes in our direction. There we go, got a nice push down. There we go. So just like I said, it broke through this area right here. This is what we were looking for. But if it broke here, so this gave us our confirmation right here. We had a rejection. It's continuing to push down. We're up $2 right now. So if it hits our TP, we'll make a nice profit of like $19. Should put it back to $50. Sorry guys, if you guys can hear my dog's barking. They go out at this time. Just takes them out. Push. typically we target low to 26 volts. So first CP is going to be 2618. If you possibly 26 or 2618 will be first CP. CP2 will be 2615, and CP3 will be I want to say around 2612. So we're going to get probably a slight pullback where it goes back down. We're tapping into an area of consolidation. We're tapping into a previous support or previous resistance area. So if you guys see right here, I got caught in this last night. I got caught in this huge consolidation. So of course it did break out of it and then it shot right back up. So I caught a little piece of it right here. And I got into another buy position. Took some profit there. So we could very easily tap into this support area right here. There we go, beautiful. Nice push down. We're up $6 so far. So we pushed a little bit farther down. I'll put stop loss into profit. All right, into break even. Nice, got a nice continued push down. You're gonna get a little bit more, and then we'll put stops at break even. to see how this candle's going to close. We're just about to tap into this consolidation right here. Let's see how this candle closes. Nice closing bearish. Beautiful push down. I'm going to put stops at break even. I got stops that are at break even, so this is a risk-free trade. We're going to see how far we push down. Right now we're about, let's see, we're about 44 pips in profit. Let's see if it continues to push. So I think we'll definitely push past this support area right here. Right now we're currently $9 in profit. I'll show you guys here. There, about $8 in profit. We're getting a little bit of a pull back. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Because a lot of times this will go back to my entry point. So if it does hit my stop loss in profit, we'll just look for another entry. Let's get it at a better price because the way it's looking right now, it's going to continue to push down. So. But it should respect this area right here. Let's see how this candle closes. There you go. Like I said, it's projecting this area right here. We'll see. See how this closes. Then we had a rejection here. So it should continue to put. So as it continues to push back down, I'm gonna trail my stop loss so we can kind of maximize our profits. So it's kind of weird. Gold's been kind of choppy lately. So we had consolidation and it pushed back up and it stayed in its range. Luckily, it's pulling down right now. So, but I could see us pushing it back up. All right, so it's retesting this area right here for this previous support. Sorry, I'm not sure what happened there. That was weird. Literally took both of my screens off screen. All right, so it looks like it's tapping back into my entry point. So I'm probably going to get stopped out right here. So, but I'm still in profit. So this just means I'll just find a better entry. So we'll see if I get stopped out. 20 seconds till this candle closes. Let's see if it's going to stop me out. One second. All right, got stopped out, guys. So you guys see right here, got stopped out. So it took a very small profit. It was like 50 cents. So it's not showing. It's weird. For some reason, Trade Locker is not showing my profits and losses. So, oh, there it is. So I took a profit of 62 cents. So we're going to get a better entry because it's going to do one of these. It's going to pull back and then pull back down. Should I look for that rejection candle? So we'll just look for a better entry. Should I look for a rejection? So we'll get it at a better price. So I mean, this was a nice move. So I should have got it up here. So my entry was a little bit late. So 'cause I should have saw this rejection right here, but I needed a confirmation. So I didn't want to just jump in right here. That would have been a nice entry. So I'm not too mad that I missed some of the move right here. I will say if it breaks above this, then it's gonna change direction and we're gonna look for buys. Because this might be the end of that pullback. Yeah, so see if we look on a higher time frame, this looks like a double bottom. So it could definitely push up. So if it does pass this, it's definitely a double bottom. But we gotta see if it's not just a pullback. So it could very well be because the overall trend is bullish. So this could be just a double top or double bottom rather. Continued push up, which of course it did the same thing here. So as I see this doji right here, you know what? I'm gonna actually change my bias and go for a buy. So let me see how this candle closes first. We'll go for a buy position. So that pull back a little bit. I like that three candle confirmation. Nothing to buy. All right, let's do the buy position, guys. So we're going to target these highs right here. We'll put stop loss below this candle right here. So nice, almost 1 to 3. All right, so we're in this buy position. So on the 15-minute, we can see here we have a double bottom. I want to target these highs. So I actually put my take profit or my stop loss below this candle just to give it some room. So it'll be almost a 1 to 2. Hopefully it goes. Hopefully I'm not counter trend trading, leaving on the lower time frame. Of course, again we made some lower highs and higher lows. So, but again we did have that double bottom on the higher time frame, and we had this doji confirmation as well with 3 solid bullish candles. So hopefully this is just a slight pullback or go back up. this was kind of a late entry. I should have allowed price to pull down a little bit more and then got it, but I kind of got in at the top of the movement. But I wanted this 3 candle confirmation before I got into it, so that was my reasoning behind it. So we should get a push up here. So what is the dollar doing? Right now the dollar was pushing up, which will actually push gold down, and then gold push down, which will push gold up, and now gold's pushing up, which will actually push it down. So as we see here. So it actually might continue to push down. And gold keeps pushing. I mean, if the dollar keeps pushing down. So we'll look at the higher time frame. So we did get a rejection. So we did have this strong bearish candle here. So this could have been a minor pullback for it to continue to push down. If that is the case, yeah, then we might get stopped out. But we gotta trust it. It's usually a good time we got a rejection. So like I said, we should get a nice push up. We'll take out this previous support here. And then we'll actually take this out as well. Like I said, we do have a lot of liquidity. So other than the 15 minute, remember I told you guys, we have all this liquidity over here. All of this. So all of this right here. It's a huge range. So we have all of this that we can take out. So right now, so we're right here. So we have all this we can take out right here. So all this. I want to take this out, but I could even target all of it. So it'd be a nice 1 to 5. So I'm not looking for home runs. So the first base hits. This would be a nice 1 to 2. It was in our favor. All right. It's not looking too bad. Nice rejection. So we got a Bears W. So my entry was at 26, 28, 15. To be honest with you, not a bad entry, especially on a 15 versus on a 5-man. This is what we're targeting. So nice 1 to 2. So that'll be a nice 165 pip move. Not bad, over 100 pips. Even if I targeted right here, this area. Targeted these highs right here. Be okay with that too. Not a lot of volume in the market lately. So once we get into profit here, I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit just to this area right here. So that we can minimize our stop loss, the more we protect our profit. Wish the market would move a little bit faster, but we're a little slow today. So we just got to see how this candle is going to close. So maybe it's a close bullish, which it should because we did get 2 rejections here. So that's usually a good sign. So candles tell a lot, guys. If you watch the candlesticks, they do tell a story. So it does kind of tell you how the next candle is going to print. We got 10 seconds till this candle closes. So it should close bullish. So it did close bullish. That's a good sign. So I hope it doesn't consolidate here. There you go. I like that rejection. So I should push in profit. There we go. Nice. I like it. All right, they gave me a nice confirmation. So it's pulling back, so I take that back. This is gold for you. Do that huge push. So we're gonna see if it's gonna respect this support area right here, which of course it just blew past it. So like I said, I might have been counter trend trading. So it's really pushing down. So I don't like that. I'm gonna get out. So I closed out my trade. I took an $8 loss. I believe I took an $8 loss on that. Yeah, so it counts at $21. So from 56, so took a big loss. So we're at $21. As you guys see, it's not showing my loss. So, but it's showing today, like last night and today, I lost $27 already. So, a good look. So, yeah, it's not showing my loss here, but I just took an $8 loss, I believe. So, yeah, I guess it looks like on the higher time frame, I thought it was going to reverse, but this was just a small pullback. So I think it's going to continue to push down to 26, 22 at least. And we could actually target these lows too, 26, 18, 26 gold. So it's definitely pushing down. So looks like we kind of went against the trend, even though I feel like the overall trend is bullish. But it looks like we're getting a rejection. So, because if it does break here, even though this is not a 30-minute time frame, this is definitely going to be a break of structure. So we're going to look for probably even go lower. So even on the 1 hour, we can see. So Even on the 1 hour, we can see we have a rejection right here. So it's going to continue to pull down because I don't see it to be able to refill this up. So I think we're going to continue to push down. So we'll definitely target these lows here and possibly these lows. So that's it for meeting day this morning, guys. We took 2 L's, or we had 1 break-even trade. So this one we got out, hit our stop loss in profit. This one we took a loss. So again, I should have stuck with my original analysis because again, this was making lower highs and lower lows. So which is doing just that. So again, it's going to probably target these lows right here. So, and then possibly these lows here. So that's what we're going to look at. So it could come here and then come pull back up. But because the range is already creating these, so yeah, it's definitely going to push down for sure. So I should have stuck with my original bias. So because it literally went a little bit above my entry point and then pulled back or reversed. All right, well, that's it for live trading this morning. We'll see what we can get tomorrow morning. We're getting pretty low on the account. We're at $20. So if I get to a certain point, I'll have to not trade gold. I'll have to go to another forex pair that'll allow me to trade at a lower capital. But we'll see what we can get into tomorrow morning. All right, appreciate you guys. Thanks.